Find the slope if it exists. Part A, we have 2x minus 5y equals 10. Let's start by solving this equation for y. So subtracting 2x from both sides of the equation gives us negative 5y equals negative 2x plus 10. Now solving for y, let's divide all terms by negative 5, or divide both sides of the equation by negative 5. That leaves us with y equals negative 2 over negative 5 is positive 2/5 x, and positive 10 divided by negative 5 is negative 2. Now that we have the equation in the form of y equals mx plus b, our slope is easy to find. The slope is the same value as m. So for letter A, the slope would be positive 2/5. Letter B, the equation x equals negative 2 is the equation of a vertical line, and the slope of a vertical line does not exist. So the answer to B does not exist.